Okay. A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject mathematics of 6th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have started the exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3, and we have completed 4 bits in that exercise. So, this exercise is regarding the largest numbers, expansions, writing commas and writing the numbers in the Indian system of numeration. Indian system is, so whatever the system of numeration we are using, so in our country, so what type of a system we are using while counting in the banking, so like that, so that type of a system is called Indian system of numerations. Okay, so like that we have seen the exercise part regarding the Indian system of numeration, and regarding the exercise part 4 bits have been completed, and I think so you have understood those 4 bits very easily, and I have given some problems in the 4 bits. I think so you have written as a homework. So whatever the homework, one more thing, whatever the homework you have done, please keep in the group. Please keep in your class group, so that we can do the correction. Okay. So compulsory I want that your homeworks in the group. Okay. So here okay. So in the group I will check. Okay. So today we are going to start the 5th bit. Okay, of exercise 1.3. So in the exercise 1.3 we are going to start the 5th bit. Okay, 5th bit. So 4 bits completed, 5th bit. Now what is the 5th bit means? See, so write the following numbers. Write the following numbers. In the short form. In the short form. So write the following numbers in the short form. Okay. So this short form is also known as standard notation. Standard notation. Okay. Notation. Okay. So standard notation. So standard notation means a standard way of writing the numbers. Okay. So general way of writing the numbers in the Indian system. So here in this bit, for every question there will, for every problem there he will give some expansions. So that expansion you should write in the short form. So how you should write? So in which type of system you should write? So you should write in the Indian system of numeration only. Indian system only. So we are talking, this complete exercise is about the Indian system of numeration. So we shall see the first one. Okay. So what is the first one? We shall see 50 lakhs plus 4 lakh plus 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. So this is a first question in this exercise. Okay. So 50 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. Okay. So this is a following question. Okay. So this question you should write in the short form. Short form is standard notation. So you should write in the numbers. So by removing this plus symbols and by adding all these numbers, you should write this as a one short number. Okay. One standard notation, one general notation of a Indian system. Okay. So for that what you have to do? So first of all, the solution will start as a 6. first, what is the first number? So in the first number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. So there will be one name for each and every place. Okay. So what are these places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So the first number is, so first number only bigger number, and this is starting with a 10 lakhs. So in this number there will be 10 lakh places, 10 lakh places. So first of all, how you should write the following number in the short form? So this one you should generally, you can add, you have to add all these numbers. So addition means, see how it will be. So 50 lakhs. So this one. Next, down of this one, you should write the next number. So next number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So 10,000 after lakhs. So this is after 10 lakhs. So this is 10 lakhs. So after 10 lakhs, what will come? So this is lakhs. This is 10,000. This is thousand. This is hundreds, tens, ones. So like this. So here you have to write each and every number. So this is starting with the lakhs. So that means below the lakhs only you should write this number. So this number should start below the lakhs only. So 4 lakhs. Okay, next number is, so 20,000 is. So here how many are there? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So 10,000. So the first number is 10,000. So in the 10,000 place, at the third line you should write it. You should start with this number. Okay, 20,000. Afterwards, next number is 8,000. So 8,000 is, so next line. So this is thousands place. So 8,000. Next, after 8,000, 500 is. So 500 means hundreds place. So at the below the hundreds place you should start it. So 500. Next 20 is it. So 20 is tens, ones. So in below the tens place you should write 20. Next ones. This is ones place only. So below the ones place you should write this one. So now you should add these things. So by adding, what you will get means, first you start the addition with the ones place only. So these all are zeros, only 4 is there. So answer is here 4 will come. Next, tens place, all are 0, only 2 is there. So here 2. Next, in the hundreds, all are 0 except this 5. So 5. Next, in the thousands, so all are zeros and this fourth number is 8. So 8. Next, in the 10,000s, 2 are zeros and 1 is 2. So 2 plus 0 plus 0. So answer is 2. Next, in the lakhs, 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Next, in the 10 lakhs, 5. Only 5 is there. So 5. So like this. So this is a standard notation. So you should place a comma with the help of Indian system of numeration. So Indian system of numeration, the first comma will come after 3 digits. After 3 digits from the right side. So from the right side, after 3 digits means 1, 2, 3. So after 5, the 1 comma will come. Another comma again after 2 digits. So here. So 54 lakhs 28,524. So this is the final answer for this problem. Okay, I think so you have understood this problem. So how to do means, just by this is a very important step. So how you have to add, how you have to keep the addition places, okay, with the help of places only. So with the help of place names you have to keep this addition notations. Okay, so afterwards you should add all these things. So by adding all these things you will get 54 lakhs 28,524. So this is the final answer for this problem. Okay, I hope so you have understood. Okay, so we shall go with the next problem. So what is the next problem? Fourth problem I am explaining. 7 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 70 0 0 0 0 0 plus 7000 plus 70 plus 70. Okay, so this is a problem. So for this solution, so how to write the solution we shall say. So what is the first number? So first number is the biggest number. So here, so in this how many digits are there? So we shall write the place names for this number. So ones, tens, hundreds. So this is thousands and this is 10,000. Okay, this is lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, up to crores place there are the numbers. So starting with the crores. So the number figure. So whatever the number, it will start with the crores. Okay, so this one you should write in the addition notation, addition forms. Okay, so addition forms, first write down this number. So 7 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, so first one is completed. Next, what is the next number? So this is, so write down the place names. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So this is a 70 lakhs. This is 70 lakhs. So in the lakhs, 1 lakh is a 10 lakhs is a. So this two if we combine means 70. So 70 lakhs is the next number. So 70 lakhs. So in the 70, so starting with the 10 lakhs. So here you should start with the 10 lakhs. So 70 lakhs. Okay. Okay, like this. Next, after this, what is it? 7,000 is it? So 7,000 means starting with the thousands. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So starting with thousands. So where is thousands? So here is the thousands. So 10,000 after 1,000. So below the thousands, in the third line, you should start with the 7 0 0 0. Okay, like this. Next, after 7,000, what is it? 70. So 70 means tens, ones. So below the tens place, you should start writing 70. Okay, like this you should write. Okay, whatever the place names, the first digit is starting from the below that place only, you should write the number. You should start the number. Okay, so like this you have to write. So after this you should add this all the things. So start with the ones place. So in the ones place all are 0. So all zeros means 0 only if you do addition. So in the tens place 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 only. 0 plus 7 is 7 only. Okay, like this. Next, in the hundreds place all are zeros only. So answer is 0 here. Okay, next in the thousands place 0 plus 0 plus 7. So answer is 7. 0 0 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. Next in the thousands place 2 are zeros only. So answer is 0. Next in the lakhs place 2 are zeros. 0. In the 10 lakhs place 7 is there. So 7. Next in the crores place 7. Okay. So your answer is this one. So first you should keep the commas. So commas means in the Indian system of numeration, start from the left side, from the right side. So first comma should place after 3 digits. After 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits you should keep the comma. Okay. Next comma will place after 2 digits. Okay. 1, 2, comma. And then again next comma again after 2 digits. So 1, 2. So comma. In the next comma only one number is. So no need to keep. So next comma also will come after 2 digits. But here only 1 digit is. So don't stop that one. Okay. So this is your answer. So what is the answer? 7 crores, 70 lakhs, 7,070. 7 crores, 70 lakhs, 7,070 is your final answer. Okay, I hope so. You have understood the writing the numbers in the standard notation or short form if the expansion was given. Okay, So like this you have to write. Okay, if instead of zeros, if there are any other numbers also, you have to write same like this only. Just addition, you have to do the addition. Okay, I think so. You know the additions. Okay, so like this you have to do this bit. Okay, I think so you have understood. Okay, now we shall go with the next bit. Okay, so what is the next? Sixth bit. Sixth bit, which is larger, among these two, which is larger among these two. So use greater than symbol, use greater than symbol. Greater than symbol means this one. So this is a greater than symbol. So this is a greater than symbol. This symbol you have to use for this problems. So I am explaining second one. In this bit I am explaining second one. Okay. Sieve 143510300 or 142510300. Okay, so this is the problem. So 143510300 or 142510300. So among these two numbers, so which is larger number, you have to identify. So larger number is, and what is it? Use greater than symbol. So that means, so if you are using greater than symbol, if you are using this greater than symbol, so here this side, so in the left side there are two dots for this symbol. So whatever the number coming here, that will be the greatest number. So here whatever the number is, that will be the smallest number. So we shall see which is greater number. So if there are two numbers means, so how to identify which is greater and which is smaller? Already in the previous classes we have seen there are two methods. To identify which is greater and which is smaller. So what are the two methods? So I think so you know. So if you know means you try to understand and try to do this problem. So if you don't know means once again you listen, you can understand. So the first method is by counting the numbers, by counting the number of digits. So if there are more number of digits in one number, so that number will be the greatest number. Obviously the second number will be the smallest number. So like this you can count, by counting the digits you can able to say. But if there are equal number of digits in the numbers, in the two numbers, if there are equal number of digits, so at that time what you have to do? So you have to take the second step. So second method you have to apply. What is the second method? By identifying the places of digits. So first take first digit of two numbers. So if the first digit is same, so then go to the second digit from the left side. Go to the second digit. In the second digit, if there is one bigger number, so that number will be the greatest number. So obviously the number which is having smallest number in the second place of another number, so that will be the smallest number. Okay, so like this. So from these two we have to identify which is greater among these two. We have to identify. So first take the first method by counting the number of digits. So first count the number of digits. How many are there here? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 digits are there. Then count here 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here also 9 digits. So here 9 and here 9. So equal number of digits are there. So equal number of digits are there. So by here, by seeing this one, what we can finalize? We can finalize that. So with the help of first method, we can't say which is greater or which is larger. So with the help of second method, we shall try. So what is second method? First identify the first digits of two numbers. So what is the first digit here? Here the first digit is 1. Okay. And here the first digit is 1. Both are equal. So both are equal. So here if there are equal numbers means equal digits means you should go with the second digit. So what is second digit here? 4 is there. And here 4 is there. Here also both are equal. Okay. Then go to the third digit. So here what is there? 3 is there. In the next number 2 is there. So here 3 is there. Here 2 is there. So both are different numbers. So both are different digits. So in these two digits, so which is greater? 3 is a greater digit. So 3 is a greater digit. So this total number will be the greatest number or largest number. Obviously, this number will be the smallest number. So what is our answer? So 143510300 is a greater number. Already we said. So this is a greater than symbol. So greater than symbol means here what you have to take. So in the left side, whatever the number you are writing, that should be greater number. That should be greater than this number. So here 2 dots are there. Here 1 dot is there. 2 dots. Here 1 dot. So the number which is at the left side of this symbol, so that should be greater number. Okay. So this is a greater number. Okay. 14 crores 35 lakhs 10,300 is the greatest number. And here obviously 142510300. That means 14 crores 25 lakhs 10,300 is the smallest number. So with the help of this symbol, I have written the answer. Okay, like this you have to do this answer. Okay, I think so you have understood this problem. Okay, so in this one more problem is there. I will say that I will give as a homework. Okay, so next go with the 7th bit. Go with the 7th bit. So what is 7th bit? Which is smaller? Which is smaller? Which is smaller number? So same bit only. So here also two numbers will be in each question. 2 numbers will be. Out of 2 numbers you should identify which is smaller number, and you should use a lesser than symbol. This is a lesser than symbol, so you should use the lesser than symbol. So what is the question we shall see? So in this I am explaining first question. So what is first one? 200015 or 99999. Okay, this is the question. So from this, first of all identify. So with the help of 2 methods you should identify. So first count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. So here you should use a lesser than symbol. So in the middle I am using lesser than symbol. So lesser than symbol means so here only 1 dot is there. Here 2 dots are there. So the number which is writing this side, which is writing left side, so that should be the smaller number than this number. So here smaller number should be, here greater number should be. So what is smaller number? We have to identify. So take the first method. So counting the number of digits. So count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 digits are there. Here 6 digits are there. Next here 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 digits are there. So here 6 digits are there. Here 5 digits are there. So which is having less number of digits? Obviously this number is having less number of digits. So whatever, so smaller number should write this side. Should write it at the left side. So 99999. So 99,999 is a smaller than which number? So smaller than 200015. So 99,999 is smaller than 2 lakhs 15. 2 lakhs 15. Okay. So like this you have to write which is smaller number. Okay. I hope so you have understood this problem. Okay. So like this you have to do. So here we are using less than symbol. Lesser than means at the left side. So how many dots are there? So here only one dot is there. That means so 1 is less than 2. So 1 is small number, 2 is bigger number. Okay, so this side you should write small number, this side you should write bigger number. So like this you have to identify the which is smaller and which is larger or greater. Okay, I hope so you have understood. So now we should go with the next bit, 8th bit. So 8th bit question is write any 10 numbers. Write any 10 numbers. Any 10 numbers. Any 10 numbers on condition that with digits 5 in crores. 5 in crores. Next 2 in lakhs. 2 in lakhs. Next 1 in 10,000. 1 in 10,000. Next 6 in tens. 6 in tens. And 3 in ones. 3 in ones places. Okay, like this you have to write. So whatever the number digits are given in that place, that numbers you should write, and with another digits you should write your own numbers. Okay, like that you should write the 10 numbers. So you see how to write this one. So solution. See, write any 10 numbers with the digits 5 in crores. So that means starting with the crores. Okay, so crores. So crores after what will be 10 lakhs, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, with the digit 5 in crores. So in the place of crores what you should write? 5. 2 in lakhs. So where is lakhs? This here is a lakhs. So here what you should write? 2. Next 1 in 10,000. 1 in 10,000. Where is 10,000? Here is 10,000. So here you should write 1. Okay. I hope you are understanding. Next 6 in tens. In place of tens digit, so you should write 6. So here is a tens. Here you should write 6. Next 3 in ones place. In the ones place you should write 3. You should write 3. So these digits you are not supposed to change. Okay. In the 10 lakhs, in the thousands, in the hundreds, your wish you can write any number, any digit. 0 to 9, whatever the digit you want, you can write. So the first one. So in the 10 lakhs I am writing 2. So better in the first time you can write another digit. So 4. In the thousands I am writing 0. So this is one number, and in the hundreds I am writing 7. So this is one number. Next, in the second also you can write like that only. Okay. So crores compulsory 5, and next in the lakhs 2. Next in the 10,000s 1, in the tens 6, in the 3 in ones place. So like this. So 5, 2, 1, 6, 3. 5, 21, 63. These are common. So in the 10 lakhs, in the thousands, in the hundreds, you should change the numbers. So like this, you have to write the 10 digits. 10 numbers you have to write. So I think so you will be writing. So now here I am writing 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5. Next here 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1. 6 3 6 3 6 3. Okay, next here in the middle you can write any number. So 0 1 2. Next here I am writing 3 4 7 9 8 9 9 0. So like this I am writing. So five numbers I have written. So remaining 5 numbers you write by yourself and post it in the group. Okay, I will check. So 5 numbers I have written. So remaining 5 numbers I think so you will be writing. So I think so very easy only. Okay. So like this with this exercise is completed. So now I will give some homework problems. You try to do from this bits. Okay. Okay, fifth bit. Fifth bit. So what is the fifth bit? Write the following. Write the following. In the short form. Okay. In the short form you should write the following numbers. So first one I explained. Second one. So 6 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 40 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0. Okay, plus 3 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 20,000 plus 500 plus 1. So this is the second one. And next third one. 3 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0 plus 3 0 0 comma 0 0 0. Okay. So like this. So next plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 1. Okay, this is fifth bit. Okay, so two problems in the fifth bit. Two problems are there. Next, sixth bit. Which is larger? Which is larger? Which is larger number? Which is larger number? Use greater than. Use greater than symbol. Use greater than symbol. Okay. So in this bit, one problem I am giving. So first one, 4 6 7 6 1 2 or 1 8 7 1 9 6 4. 1 8 7 1 9 6 4. This is the first problem in this sixth bit. Next, seventh bit. So in the seventh bit also same from this only. So which is smaller? Which is smaller number? Which is smaller number? Use less than symbol. Less than symbol. Okay. So in this I am giving second one. So what is second one? 1 3 5 0 5 0 0 5 0 or 1 3 4 9 7 8 5. 7 8 5. Okay. So this is okay. So these are the seventh bit, and eighth bit you write down five numbers. Okay, 5 numbers. So like this. So crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. So in this crores 5 is it, in the lakhs 2 is it, in the 10,000 1 is it, tens 6 is it, ones 3 is it. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like this you write down. Okay. 5, 5, 5, 5. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Next 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3. So I have written 5 in crores, 2 in lakhs, 1 in 10,000, 6 in tens, and 3 in ones. So remaining digits you write your wish. So but five numbers you have to write. Okay. So I hope so you will be very easy. You will be feeling very easy with this homework. So today you do this homework and keep in the group. Okay. Keep in your class group. Okay. I will check your homework. So I think so you have understood this exercise part, and in the next class we shall go with the international system of numeration. So how the international system will be there, we shall see in the next class. So thank you for attending my class, children. So have a good day, children. Thank you.